Hello, this is the Arfurla laser, class 4. This is where laser is supposed to be, laser generator. I sent it to the company to get fixed, and also the handle, I sent it to the company. But the main issue with the laser is, so this part is called coupler. From the laser generator here, through a cable, it gets here, and then connect to this side, and from here out you connect to the handle and you apply the laser. So the problem with this design they have is, you see, it's melted. It has melted, from the inside. So there is overheating at this part. There is overheating where the laser cable connects to the other side, to the handle applicator, let's call it. This part overheats and starts melting this, So they don't test their laser more than like a minute or couple of minutes. When I use it for like longer duration, I see that they have this issue. So I tried to contact the company, Arfurla. So I bought the machine initially from Alibaba by Arfurla, and you see, warranty is 2 years for the machine laser and 2 years on the parts. But and when I had the problem, when I contacted the company, what they told me is, look, laser host is 2 years and the warranty is only 6 months. So they changed this. They changed the warranty. They come up with like new rules, and I tried to explain this is not going to work. I contacted Alibaba and they made a ruling in my favor, and the company is like, look, you see, they started using different emails, different names. So info, and this is the person who started the Nicole. She started the process, and she came up with like things like that I have to test the laser, and like, oh, you don't need to test, look. And she's not talking to me like a customer representative, customer service, and she's not explaining well. And then she didn't want to honor the warranty and made me buy a new part. You see, I had to pay for this new part, so they don't honor the warranty, But I had warranty for 2 years. They changed the warranty. She changed the warranty, and she said it's only 6 months. And so I asked for another representative, and they said this is the new person that you can contact with, Aaron. And she, as you can see, he's calling me Dork. My name is Doruk. He's calling me Dork, and you see, he's doing like not one time. He's like, oh, I'm making a mistake, sorry, and then doing it again. And I said, like, he's also not helping me. He started asking for extra, more money. They're asking just more money, and they said, okay, how about you contact to our boss? But it's the same person. It's the same person, just using different emails, and it didn't go anywhere. All my contacts with the company, it's not yielding. It's not going anywhere. They keep saying only 6 months, only 6 months, and they keep asking for like money. Although you see, I had to send more money. Why? And they don't even accept the credit card. They want me to wire it directly to their bank. And each time I have to pay extra, like $50 cost. This is like, I got the laser for $2,300. I spent another, like half of it, $1,500 on sending these parts back and forth, And then finally I'm like, is there another person? and they said, okay, this is our boss. So for the same email address, now instead of Nicole, his name is like Wouter, and he calls me Wouter too. You see how ridiculous this is? Look, can you imagine your name is this, and you call the other person with this name? So Nicole is making these names up, all these emails up, and blocking the communication to the company. And like, he's like, look, she's blaming me with everything. But I showed you the laser is burned, like it has an overheating problem, and it's always the same person. So somebody has to reach this company and tell about this person, Nicole, that she's blocking the communication. She's taking the company as hostage. It's a good company, but I cannot reach the company. I cannot get my warranty worked. So I need help.